Hi, guys, it's me, Tom Altieri, your New Jersey mortgage guy, with this week's New Jersey Mortgage Minute. Hey, if you're not watching this on njmortgageminute.com, head over there and watch the video over there. All you have to do is subscribe. You'll be entered into a contest. We give away good prizes every week. You'll see last week's winner. This week we're giving away a nice $25 Amazon gift card. Anyway, it's Friday, April 13th, 2018, and I never got that Friday the 13th thing. You? Anyway, with mortgage rates, they're pretty flat right now. It seems like rates are leveling off a little bit. Depending on your credit score and your loan to value, you're probably looking somewhere in the mid 4% range. Rates have steadily increased from early January to present. And this, I think right now, this is where they're going to stay for a little while. So, again, not a bad rate, mid 4% rate, not going to affect anybody that dramatically. I get a lot of questions on PMI, and basically what PMI does, and that's private mortgage insurance, it protects the lender against default. In other words, if you put down 5%, somebody has to insure the difference between 5% and 20%. So that's where private mortgage insurance comes into effect. And it's really based on loan to value and credit score. You have a lower credit score, the PMI is going to be higher. You put down less money, 5% down will get you a higher cost of PMI, 10% down will cost you more, 15% will cost you more, and so on. And lower the credit score, the same. There's different types of PMI. There's lender paid PMI, or there's a monthly payment PMI. Lender paid PMI, by the way, I have one of the best lenders with lender paid PMI in the country. It's really, the rate is very, very low on it. What they do is they just add a smidgen to your interest rate to protect them buying the PMI. We have FHA loans. You have an upfront mortgage insurance is 1.75% of the loan amount, and then you have a monthly payment. With VA, there's no monthly mortgage insurance, but there is what's called a funding fee upfront. So none of the other things I want to tell you about is, I do business with lenders that service their loan. I think that's really important to some people. Even some of the big banks don't service their loan. They'll keep it for a little while and they'll sell it off. But I work with one of my lenders that I do a lot of business with. Most of their stuff, all of their stuff, they service, meaning you make the payment to them, you'll continue to make the payment for them. Why is that important to you? Because sometimes, when you're transferred to other lenders, they screw up your escrow account and so forth. While I have you on that subject, if you wanted to go no escrows, one of the lenders I have doesn't charge you. A lot of lenders charge you if you wanted to go no escrows. Now, you need 20% down to go no escrows, but a lot of lenders will charge you additionally. They'll add it to your rate. But I have a lender that does not do that. So in programs, 2 programs you should know about, real important. If you have any friends or family that are self-employed, I have a program for self-employed. Basically, it's a bank statement program. Take your bank statement for the last 12 to 24 months and do a calculation off that, opposed to a tax return, a W-2, and a pay stub. And the other program you should know about, if you have any friends or family that just, starting out, or, maybe don't have a lot of money and really want to upgrade, we have a 3% down program. Which is phenomenal. There's really discounted mortgage insurance depending where you're buying in the state of New Jersey. And it's really an easy program, to get approved for. The funds can basically come from anywhere. So listen, I'm always accessible at 732-239-1642. I'll be around all weekend if you want to be pre-approved, or you know anybody that has to be pre-approved, give me a call. Again, I'm always accessible. Looks like it's going to be a nice weekend. Enjoy it. And don't worry about Friday the 13th.